Hey guys, it's Morgan, the Carolina Disney girl, and we have more boxes to unbox. So, you saw in the previous video, we got the FabFitFun for summer. So we unboxed that, but we got June's Boxy charm, and as you can see, yes, I have already kind of opened it, but I haven't tried anything. Waiting for you guys. So let's see what we got, shall we? All right. So this month's theme is Dare to Dazzle, which will be super fun. All right. So we have Dr. Brandt's Skin Changing Science, the Triple Oxidant Face Cream. And it's cute. It's actually got something for Pride Month since this is for June. Hashtag say I love you with pride. So that's super cute. I'm assuming that they do something to, like, maybe they donate to an LGBT community or something. So according to the little paper, so this is a triple antioxidant face cream. This antioxidant enriched moisturizer provides skin with 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. It's formulated with a revolutionary A3 power, a dynamic shield boosted with antioxidants, anti-stress ingredients that help prevent a youthful appearance. So, let's take a look. And again, got the Say I Love You, which I like that more companies are supporting charities. Doesn't matter like what the charity, like, you know, obviously something for a good cause. So I'm going to try a little bit. I don't want to try too much because it looks like a little bit goes a long way. Doesn't have a smell, which is not bad. I don't need everything to have a smell because I feel like if I wore everything that had a smell, eventually, like, they would all conflict. But yeah, it feels really nice. So that will be fun to try. Always need a good face cream, especially when we get older. You know we do. All right, so next we have the Elemis Superfood Glow Cleansing Butter. And it's actually kind of heavy. It's the Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser. Seems a little fall for me, a pumpkin. I'm thinking like fall. But let's read what this has to say. So, Elemis Superfood Glow Cleansing Butter. Melt away makeup and daily impurities while leaving skin looking healthy, fresh, and glowing with this buttery brightening cleanser. A unique blend of fermented pumpkin enzymes, Aricola cherry, okay, rich in AHA, which is AHA. I'm pronouncing it AHA because that's what I'm thinking it is, but you might just have to say AHA. Helps to brighten skin, while mango butter, and chia seed oil nourishes and hydrates the skin. Okay. So I'm actually a little bit more excited about this because if it was like just gonna smell like pumpkin, I don't know how into it I was gonna be. Okay. It doesn't really have... I'm just gonna put like a tiny bit since it is a cleanser. Yeah, it just has like a clean soap, which is not bad. Because I don't know if I would really dig it if it smelled like pumpkin. Just because to me, pumpkin, I think fall. But yeah, that's really fun. I can't wait to try that. Always need a good cleanser to wipe off all the makeup. All right. So next we have Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel. So let's see. All right, so enjoy the naturally exhilarating properties of this Revive Body Gel for skin that feels refreshed and smooth. High concentrations of the finest essential oils of juniper berry, deliciously invigorating grapefruit, and stimulating rosemary help promote a even skin texture and boost energy. Ooh. This is cool. So it's not like When I see body gel, I think like a shower gel, but no, this is actually like you can put it on instead of lotion. And I am totally opening this because juniper, love that smell. And then you've got grapefruit, which is good, but then you've also got rosemary, which I love the smell of rosemary. Oh, love the smell. Okay, that was just the bottle. All right, I'm just putting some on my whole hands. Oh, I love the smell. If you guys like juniper and rosemary, because I don't really smell the grapefruit, like there's like a citrus note. Oh, I love the smell. That's so awesome. I'm super excited about that. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, we got some Smashbox. I love Smashbox stuff. They're probably one of my favorite primers. Of course, high-end primer. So this is an eye palette. So this is Smashbox Cover Eyeshot Palette, a high-impact powder eyeshadow palette with 2 base shadows and a curated mix of 6 different colors in different formulas and finishes. Create your own mesmerizing looks on the go in the most on-trend colors in a snap. Now, oh, see, I think that's really cool that it does that. It's got that like 3D effect. So let's see what the colors are. Got a little mirror. So the colors are really nice, very neutral, so definitely like a good on the go, just like the description says, or even like for traveling. And I always like that they have 2 bases. So I kind of want to see what this one. Ooh, that is nice. And I've actually tried Smashbox before and love Smashbox because, like I said, that's my favorite primer. So, really excited about that. All right, let's see what else we got. Got some NARS. So we got their blush. All right, so NARS blush. This cult favorite best-selling blush delivers a weightless natural look, rush of cheek color, and matte satin and shimmering finishes. I'm sure you can probably tell, I don't usually wear blush. I do a little bit more highlighter. Just because I don't want it like too pink. But actually, like that's a nice... That's actually a nice, like, it's just going to kind of give a little shimmer. It's not going to be very pink. So I might give that a shot. And plus, it's NARS, which, you know, that's an amazing brand. All right, let's see what else we've got. Okay, Avant Hyaluronic Vitamin B3, Mint Glycerin Collagen, Isoparaffin, Benzoic, lots of words. Like, basically, it's a hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum. So, that's the bottle. All right, so what does this say? So, this is a lip serum designed to simultaneously plump and nourish the lips. Hyaluronic acid works to intensely hydrate, plump, and balance moisture levels without a sticky feeling. Lactic acid combines to lightening the pigmentation and nourishing lips effectively. Because it also says plumping, I don't want to try it just yet because there's other stuff that I want to do today. And I'm not sure how the plumping is going to look. But it's definitely interesting. I'll give it a shot. I'll play with it. All right. And we also have the Lifestyle Company Purifying Sage with Lavender. I have to tell you guys, this box smells really good because this is a room spray. And I feel like, yeah, I've been smelling this room spray. So refresh your home with this sage in a bottle. Aids in boosting your immune system, improves mood, and cleanses your home. Oh, smells amazing. I am totally keeping this. My mom is not getting this one. All right, last but not least, blending eggs. I feel like this should have been like March or April's because, you know, Easter. So this is Beauty Bakery blending eggs. So these are beauty sponges. Get your beat on. It's soft and comfy, allowing you to get cracking on that beat. Cooked up with you in mind. Blending eggs were uniquely created to fit in the palm of your hand for seamless blending. Blending eggs will be your new favorite tool for extraordinarily caking that's hard to beat. I just have to... The packaging is just so cute. It even has like nutritional facts. And it says great when used wet, exceptional smoothing, get those hard to reach areas, durable, reusable, and eco-friendly. So let's see what they look like. Because I mean, like, it's in a little egg carton. I mean, how cute is that? 2 different colors. I mean, that is super cute. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm actually excited to try them. I usually use just Beauty Blender or Eco Tools are the blender sponges that I usually use. So yeah, I'm really excited to try those. So we've looked at everything in the box. So let's see how much it is. Got my calculator. Get that pulled up. All right, guys. So first thing on the list is the cleansing butter, the pumpkin cleansing butter. That's $38. It also does say this is a new launch for BoxyCharm. Then we have the NARS blush, and that is $30. Then we have the Smashbox eye palette. That is $29. Then we have the Purifying Sage Mist the Room Spray. That's $49. All right, then we have the lip serum. Guys, this is $122. Just this little thing is $122. Wow. Okay. Moving on. That's a lot for that little, I guess, the ingredients. All right, but then we have the body gel, the juniper grapefruit rosemary body gel. That's $46. And then we have the antioxidant face cream from Dr. Brandt. That is $64. This is also marked as a new launch for BoxyCharm. And last but not least, the blending eggs are $18. All right, guys. So everything retail price is $396. That is amazing. As I mentioned before, the BoxyCharm boxes are $25, $29 a month. So obviously really amazing price for what you get. I love it. We actually did sign up for the Luxe box, which I haven't gotten yet. But I'm really excited about this one. So let me know in the comments below. Do you get BoxyCharm? What did you get this month? What's your favorite item? Yeah, let me know in the comments below. And as always, like and subscribe for more videos. And I will see you guys next time. Have a magical day, guys. Hakuna Matata.